Okay, hello. We're gonna be doing some back testing just to keep me fucking focused because sometimes I take way too long to enter a trade, and I ha. So we're gonna do some back testing. Um, I already done this session. I started this back in I think like February of this year. My trade win is really shit because the first like couple months of back testing. So I started this session in October of 2023. I'm currently in October 2024. So the first couple of months I was just totally fucking retarded and had not no clue what to look for, but my win rate fucking sucked. So I've gone way better. Like my last 2 months in back testing was at like a 75% win rate. So yeah, 278 trades, started at 50K. I risk the exact same each time just to keep it consistent. I'll do 3 cons of NQ. So I'm gonna do what Psalm 1 says and record or back test for 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes. I do 45. That usually gives me enough time to do like 2 or 3, and then I'll write up a little summary of why I took the trades and shit. I see a lot of smart smart traders doing this, so I figured why not keep me a little more focused, locked in. I might get interrupted and shit like that, but yeah, here we go. You can hear all my retarded thought processes and how that works. Okay, so 45 minutes on the clock. Dope. So it's a bank holiday today, so I need to fast forward. I'm gonna go tomorrow, 9 o'clock. I go like right there. Okay, so what's news today? Tuesday, nothing. So yeah, no CPI week, nothing. Okay, so what I'd like to do first is I usually mark down previous day high and previous day low. Um, oh, that's weekly. Whoops. I don't think we're really going to be hitting any of these. I just like keeping them here. So previous day low. I'll just write down previous day low, even though it wasn't previous. It was actually a couple previous day lows ago. In my head, that's just how I know it. I don't really call it sell side or buy side. I'm trying to change my habits because I know that like Patty and Blake will just write buy side, not previous day high. But I don't know. You'll see me kind of go back and forth. But whatever. That's what I do. So then I'll go to ES. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Previous day low down here. Previous day high as well. We're really close to. We're probably gonna hit that. No problem. Do we have equal highs with that? We do. Okay. So that's a really strong draw. So I'm pretty bullish just off the bat. Previous day high, all-time highs are kind of within reach. We're at all-time highs on ES, that's right. So I need to remember that. All-time highs, it's hard to short. Just bullish, no proven otherwise. Pretty much. We have all these previous day lows. I'm not going to mark these down. I don't think we're going to hit these. So we have this buy side, and all-time highs to project off of. Let's go to the 4-hour. We have this 4-hour. If we want to go down and touch that for a retap up, although it's 100 and some odd points away, we're probably not going to do that. And yeah, I used to hate back testing. I never ever did it. I hated it like the plague. I was so stupid and ignorant. I thought that I could just get by without it. Yeah, it just goes to show how stupid your psychology is sometimes. Okay, so all-time highs are there. No, yeah, 4-hour. No gaps in this leg. Pretty straightforward right now. I'll just put down this 4-hour just in case. I don't think we're gonna go that down though. So 4-hour, we're gonna go down to the 1. The thing is, with these daily profiles, I always kind of grappled with them. I never really remembered and ingrained into my head like a New York reversal, New York continuation. I would study it for a while and then forget, and study it and forget. I know like if London's sponsored, I'm trying to remember all the different ways London can be sponsored. So like Let's just look at this right now. So London lows we have intact. I'm pretty sure London's going to be the low of day, most likely. We did already take out London lows on ES, so we have a little SMT at the bottom. So I'm thinking this is a sponsored move because ES has an SMT with it. Yeah, I don't think we're going to hit London. I mark it down regardless. Each time, it's just what I do. So here's London. I can't write down here, but now look, we have opposing SMTs. Took out Asia on NQ, but not on ES. We're going to take it out on ES 120%. Okay, so I think this is a London. Yeah, New York continuation. Reverses in London, continues up for a thing. Yep, so that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'll get rid of this, and I'll just write down hourly fair value gaps too. I'm getting pretty close to the camera. Hello. Oh yeah, I guess I should say the date. It's the Wednesday, August 27th. That hourly hasn't formed yet. And nothing. Okay. And we just have this hourly high. Although I'm not really anticipating anything really happening here. Why do I have an hourly low and not... Oh, there we go. Hourly high. And that hourly high is not Asia, but whatever. Okay, so 15 minute. We have this 15-minute gap to jump down to if we need. Nothing on ES. Okay, this is looking pretty straightforward. I maybe want to see us have a little Judas down to go up, or we just jump up from the get-go, bang out all-time highs, and then maybe get a continuation up to the rest of this. To the rest of this buy side here. I don't know. Some people say I go slow backtesting, but this is how I analyze my fucking day, bro. Like I don't know how fucking Patty and Blake are so quick with it. How like I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. So I'm trying to pretend like this is trading, or live trading. So 5-minute continuation we had. Okay, let's just advance PA. Let's just get going. Okay, cool. So we got that Judas down that I wanted. Okay, we're getting pretty good displacement up. No 5s, no 15s. We have this 2-minute that formed. That's about it. Yeah, this 2-minute. Okay, fuck. Ugh, okay, so we took out the internal high, so that would have been a good break even. This does still look pretty good for a long. I'm really not gonna lie. I also forgot too, when we have a Judas like that, you can take the lower time frame inversion, because often if you wait for the highest time frame inversion when we have a Judas, you're not gonna get it. This is just kind of fucked because we took that internal high. I could do something like this. Target previous day high, then put a stop here for a 1 to 4, but just because we took that internal high, I don't feel that good about it. I'm just going to wait a little bit longer. Yeah, see? W discipline. W discipline. Just because it looks good, you can't do that. So now we have an SMT lower. And that's the thing, I have to pretend that, like, okay, look, we had an SMT at the top, we swept this, and we didn't sweep it on ES. And then in the future, I should say, well, what can I expect next to happen? Maybe we get an SMT down, which we're about to right now, and see what happens from there. Don't bite at the very first thing. You can sometimes, but it wasn't warranted. Okay, so we're still just kind of lamenting going up. Howie for 5s, nothing. 15s, nothing. 4, 3. whoops, 2, there's a 2 minute. Okay, so that SMT, yeah, we still have it. Building kind of an LRL ramp right here. 950. So yeah, I really marked out all the other targets we could potentially retrace down to. We're still respecting this 15 really well. I'm still bullish. Maybe 10 o'clock will deliver us. 950 macro we're in right now. Is there a 30 second here? There is, but the 30 second, like it glitches out like this. You can't use the 30. So yeah, we have nothing right now. 950 macro. This is probably going to eat. There was most likely a 30 second here somewhere. With taking this 1 minute all the fucking way over here, like 14 minutes away this 1 minute, like if I'm confident the draw, it just seems really sketchy. Like for a 1-to-1 there, you know what I mean? Like we're definitely going to all-time highs, but just taking this 1 minute, that's just all the way over there. That's the only thing that we have right now. Oh wait, hold on. 2 minute. I can wait for this 2 minute. Oh, okay. So that entry's cooked. But that was the 2 minute. So let's just see this play out or not. Okay, so we have another SMT at the fucking bottom here. Just bare fucking SMTs right now. 10:05. How does hourly look? Yeah, just kind of indecision on a Tuesday right now. Just chopping around. Nothing really looks solid. Maybe bounce off this hourly for a long. But yeah, see, that would have another stop loss too. If I took that 1 minute. Maybe bounce off this hourly. Okay, so we tapped the hourly. Any 5 minutes? Yeah, we're going to make a 5 minute if we stay around here. Okay. So we made this 5 minute. Let me check this 15 because we're opening up another 15. Okay, shit. So maybe we'll take out London. Maybe switch to bullish or bearish. Okay, so London just got tapped. Anything else lower than that? We have this 4 hour. And yeah, just kind of a gap here. And yeah, I already looked at everything on the high time frame, so I already marked out all the targets that could potentially see reversals off of. We have London, and the next thing we have is this 4 hour low. Yeah, we have that again. Remember, we SMT'd at Asia here. So we took out Asia highs on ES or on NQ, but we couldn't on ES. So we still have this SMT in play here. That seems to be holding right now. In terms of entries, kind of cooked for shorts. Maybe see a 5 minute. Let's just advance price a little bit more. Okay, so we have another 5 minute that opened up. I think I'm going to maybe be a little more bearish right now. See if we get a continuation. Okay, no. So, no continuation on that one. Yeah, nothing. This is now a 15 minutes. So we hit that 4 hour. We're pretty bearish right now, actually. This is give us a little more price. Okay, another 4 hour hit. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're just fucking dumping. So we're clearly bearish today. That Asia SMT really held up. Hit the 4 hour on ES. Looks like previous day low. Might be the draw, most likely. And like I said, see, I gotta stop rechecking these because I already did this at the start. Okay, let's just see what happens here with previous day low. Maybe we got a mech. Okay, so there's previous day low. Previous day low's down there. A lot of 5 minutes being formed. I guess I could put that there, even though that hasn't closed yet, but it's most likely going to close. Okay, so that's one previous day low. We have another previous day low right there. have another 4 hour right here. Okay, now, looks like we're getting a V shape, potentially, but we're really close to this. We haven't hit this yet, this hourly low. But we're in a 4 hour here. I'd be kind of sketched out taking a long right here right now, especially at 10:40. Well, I don't know. Sometimes 10:40 cooks, I'm not gonna lie. Too many. I need more structure anyways. There's nothing here to take. Yeah, there's nothing right now. Just need a little more structure, maybe S&T. How's this 5 minute looking? Okay, so I tapped into a 5, keep in mind. Nothing. Okay, so we're just chopping up. It's 10:50 now. Inverse this 5 minute, but you couldn't even take a 5 to a 5 because we just tapped that already. So this is looking pretty shot. That's a 15. Yeah, this is looking kind of shit. Maybe a 5 minute continuation lower, but that's the thing. I don't like going, oh, okay, maybe a V shape. Oh, okay, maybe not. Like, look, we just inverse this 5 minute higher. 5 minute continuation lower to where it's previously low in this hourly right here. But it's just kind of sketch taking that when it's inversing that 5 minute. I know you have to worry about the draw, where's the draw? But this just kind of makes it a little bit less probability. I'll forward test this, but that would have been a good break even right there. You could do low hanging fruit, or you can go for that 1 hour low and that previous day low. Put our stops right here and just see where this goes. It's 11 o'clock. Whoa, okay. This is a TJR type entry. Half a VQ, order block, low, high, lower, or whatever. Just see where this goes. Okay, that almost stopped me out by like a wick, but like, at this point, like, you don't want to be trading this. Look at this chop. Look at this chop. Let me just hit play. Yeah, we're no good. So this one, this shouldn't have. Well, I didn't really entertain this. I did entertain it a little bit, but I would not have taken that. So this was just a no trade day. Just fucking dump. The only real entry, yeah, no, there wasn't even really any good entries at the top here. We had legit nothing all day, so this would have been a no entry day, Tuesday. So tomorrow's even gonna be worse because it's a no news Wednesday. In terms of if I would trade PM on this, I don't really think so. Like, we fucking dumped a lot. I still think this previous day low might be the draw. But see, I don't have a concrete, like, no, I'm not trading it. Yes, I am trading it. I know they say, like, when the objectives have been taken, don't take it, or don't do PM, but what was the was the previous day low the objective here? Because then we took it. We didn't hit previous day high. We didn't hit all-time highs. Was previous day low the objective? So then I don't think I should trade this then. Because it looks like we're just going to be in chop. But I just want to kind of see what happens. Just want to see what happens. See, look, inverse the 5 lower, 2 o'clock, and then just channeling right now. Yes, hit this 4 hour. And okay. So yeah, my draw was right. Was previous day low. Really shit entry though. Like, look at this. Okay, whatever. I'm just going to the next day. I'm taking too much time. Next, let me just pause this recording. But see, there's tons of days where you get no entry like that. Like that was a day, no entry. Today, in real life, I had a no entry day, and you get all butthurt because you feel like you're not making progress. But it's like, dude, there was nothing to trade. I mean, today there was kind of a good opportunity, that 1 minute short that worked, but no trade days happen a lot more often than you think. So don't get your panties in a bunch. I know it's kind of annoying if you have a job and you work some days during the morning and you can't be on the computer from Monday to Friday. Um, so you feel that like, oh, I'm not on the day. I'm on the computer today because I work, so I need to get a trade in. That kind of fucks you up a little bit, but just don't let it. It's very easy to. Don't let it. Maybe look at PM. Maybe look at Asia. Or sometimes you don't have to do that. Sometimes you really only need to take a trade or two a week. And then those times you're not trading, backtest to keep your shit on point. So anyways, Wednesday, no news. My beard's getting long, bro. I haven't had this long ever. Okay, so previous day low. Are these equal lows? Yep. Previous day high, another previous day high. Oops. Honestly, you could probably just skip this. Like, just fast forward 10 seconds until I start going lower. Oops, previous day high. Okay. What's the daily saying? We edged this and just fucking died for no apparent reason. We took out 3 previous day lows. We do have a daily fair value gap here, actually. So I'm going to put this down as a daily fair value gap. Yeah, this is just kind of ugly right now. There's this buy side here, buy side down here, or wait, sorry, sell side. My God, I just hate when I do that. The fuck is it? Hello? SSL. Right. Sorry, this is painfully slow. Fuck. I hate fucking trade seller. Okay. Daily, I'm kind of nothing on. I don't really have a good bias. 4 hours, also no news Wednesday, so I'm gonna really need like a A+ setup to take fucking anything. Bearish off the bat. This 4 hours being tapped into. This 4 hour has been tapped into. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it for the 4 hour. And bearish order flow right now, temporarily. There's a million more 4 hours below me that could be hit. 4 hour. 4 hour. I could have copy pasted that. That's that daily for value gap, but then another 4 hour down here. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour. Okay, so pretty shit. Pretty shit. No SMTs with nothing. We're London Lows sponsored. Not really, no. Like, we have an order block here, but... Or I guess here would be it. Or a propulsion block, whatever the fuck you want to call it. 2 order blocks beside each other. But I don't think that would really count as sponsored. Apparently it does, though, because it says here... London Lows are sponsored by 30-minute plus key level breaker block for value gap, order block, or SysD. That's where I kind of get fucking confused with sponsorships and not. I've seen in the lives so many different definitions. Oh, SMT sponsored. Oh, like order block sponsored. Oh, but then it's not. So I don't know. I get fucking so confused over them. And I hate it because it should be a fucking straightforward answer. And that's kind of the things I hate about trading is there's no one concrete answer. It's not like mechanics where you need to torque the bolt at 60 fucking foot-pounds. Nothing else. It's not 55. It's not 40. It's this just systematic. Trading's kind of not systematic because it all fucking depends on who your mentor is and what they tell you. Like you don't need accreditations to day trade. So it's just kind of annoying the lack of systematic practices. Anyway, so there's London lows. Here's London highs. Asia highs got taken. London highs got taken, so we have an SMT to send us down probably to London lows. So there's an SMT here. Where the fuck are you? SMT. Okay, yeah, so this looks like shit. Like, I don't know what type of daily profile we're in. London Judas, New York reversal, fake low of day. Didn't hit any high time frame key level. This might be a London Judas, New York reversal. You might see the reversal happening at 10. Yeah, probably won't be a PM session trade day. London was unsponsored, no high time frame level. Okay. I think I'm kind of leading bearish too with this 4 hour that got tapped into as well. London highs were sponsored. Sorry, I need to say that too. I fucking totally forgot about what London highs were saying. So yeah, London highs were sponsored. Let's just advance price a little bit. I've marked out every fucking hourly I can. It shouldn't reject off of anything. It's going to be more of a conditions. So we inversed this 15. That's really not that good. Okay, so there's market open. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. 15 minute kind of chopped. It went up, inversed. Looks like London lows is the draw. 5 minute pre-market short. Would this have been something I could have taken? Do we have an SMT at these highs? No, just whatever. This doesn't. Yeah, no. So that's not good at all. We don't really have any good targets lower. Like, that's just a fucking random 15 minute. Is that an hourly? Yeah, it's just a random hourly low. Maybe use that for targets, but this doesn't look that good, to be honest. I don't really like any. Okay, cool. Fuck. Okay, cool. So that 5 minute worked, I guess, but would I have taken that pre-market? I don't know. We could have easily got a fucking. Well, London was sponsored, so we should not have gotten a Judas up, but I don't know. Just advance price a little bit more. That's previous day low. We hit London. Okay, cool. So 5 minutes, nothing. We hit London. Where's previous day low? That's this fair value gap. Right, that fair value gap is probably drawing towards maybe a 5 minute continuation short if we can get it. No tap, 1 minute. Okay, cool. So no tap on the 5 minute continuation, which was really gay. That could have been a pretty good discretion play. That wouldn't have been mech. But having a stop at an unfilled 5 right there, usually you just don't take that. If you were just a degenerate gambler and you wanted to fucking trade, maybe take that, but you don't really want to have your stop at a unmitigated 5 right there, even though I know that draw did look really fucking obvious. Maybe we can get a mech to this unfilled 5 now. CVS wants to hit its daily. Not yet. Any more 5s opening up? Okay, we got another 5 here. Whoops. Let's get that out of the way. Let's go back down to the 1. Again, I wouldn't take any longs right here. Yeah, we have previously low, but we have a daily fair value gap right here. And we're really close to this, that 1 hour sell side, I believe that was. Not really close, but whatever, 24 points away. 950 macro coming up. Well, it is the 950. There's a 2 minute here that did inverse, but Let's even be a 1-to-1. Barely a 1-to-1, barely. Maybe target that. I know we're gonna open up a new 15 in a second. I wouldn't take this just because we're back. But see, we hit previous day low. That's pretty decent. We're already in this giant. Fuck. But see, do I put the range from here or do I put it from here? Like, both seem really fucking valid. This is again just something that I fucking hate. I don't know. I think just EQ is gonna fuck me up here because I don't know where to put it. Yeah, we're at EQ on both of these ranges. So maybe put a move up. I don't know. 950 macro. This is where I don't feel good as a trader because I shouldn't be saying, I don't know. But fucking here I am. I don't know. I'm just not going to take this. Okay, cool. Just stopped out. W discipline, I guess. I just really want to see that fair value daily get hit. Maybe build some low LRL. 10 o'clock, maybe 10 o'clock, open, low, high, we could get, potentially. Just ES is fucking just doing its own thing. It's not even going close to these, and yeah, so this is a 15 now. This 1 minute here, we do have an SMT at the lows. 10 o'clock macro. This does look good. I don't think we have to kind of hit the sell side, but like, does ES have anything to even fucking target? ES has no 5 minutes, and we already hit the 15 minute on ES. So this could be an SMT that could send us lower to hit that fair value gap daily. I don't think I should take this. I know we have an SMT, but I just don't feel good about this yet because ES has taken this 15 already. Okay, so that would have been your break even. This is looking good, yeah. Let me just see where this would have been. I probably would have targeted this 5 minute here. Okay, yeah, so ES just fucking ripped, and this is gonna hit. Yep. Okay, so did that get edged? Yeah, that got edged. Okay, and there we go. Fuck. Oh, I knew that fucking SMT at the bottom was a fucking good move. Fuck, see? That's what I don't like, dude. I really wanted it to see that fair value gap daily get hit, but like I just don't know if it was necessary. We hit previous day low on NQ. Fuck. This is where I feel like I'm fucking shit as a trader. Is just trying to be way too perfectionist. $10 o'clock macro. Yeah, let me just pause this for a sec. Okay, I just wrote up a little thing what happened here. So I hesi'd on this. SMT, a little bullish SMT at the lows. It was 1 minute mech to the unfilled 15 and 5 would have broke even at the 15. We took out London lows at a 1 hour sell side, previous day lows. And I hesi'd because ES was close to that fair value gap daily. We were also in that 10 o'clock macro or 950 macro, fucking whatever. So that should have been it, but I don't know. I was just kind of worried that we were so close to that fucking sell side right here, this 1 hour sell side. Like, it's so close to it, bro. Did we have an SMT here? No, we took out this as well. Yeah, that's annoying. I don't know. Like, I feel like I should have taken that. I know I should have taken. Well, I didn't know at the time. I didn't fucking know. Maybe I could watch back this recording, but that SMT at the low and that really strong displacement, and we had pretty good LRL. Not pretty good, but decent LRL on the way up. Easy break even target 1.187. Fuck, that would have been nice. Okay, so I've kind of got to run out of time here. I only have about 8 minutes left. I'm not going to be able to do another day in 8 minutes, so just 2 days for the 45-minute session. No trade, and then a hesitation mech model that was actually pretty good that I should have taken. Or I should have put risk on for that at least. You know, we stomached taking, or we had W discipline and didn't take 2 entries that would have hit stop loss. Yeah, that would have been pretty good. I should have taken that. Just more fucking hesitation from me. That's the problem with me, is that there's just like I've probably seen this setup in my journal. Most likely, I usually put wins that I hesitate on, or I put my wins in backtesting just so I could remember setups, but like I don't review them enough. I have them here and I don't review them. But it just would have been way more better if we just hit that fucking hourly. But again, that perfectionistic, it moves fast. You have to really be adjust with what you see, and you just kind of remember these setups. And I guess it takes time. It's a muscle. I would have really felt okay and had less uncertainty if we hit that 1 hour, but once I saw that 1 minute displace and we had that SMT to lows and it was the macro and we had good targets up, like that would have been worth the risk, I think. So yeah, that's about it. Hopefully that wasn't too painful. Yeah, I like doing these. Kind of keeps me focused a little more. I fucking spit a lot down the side of my fucking mouth. You see me wiping my face a lot, but yeah, that's it. I'll upload this. And yeah, I have another backtesting session I do after this, but probably won't record it. Probably just do the one. And yeah, that's it.